one of the most useful and complex indicators. Today we're having our second lesson on Ichimoku. Hey guys, welcome to MB.Cryptocurrency. My name is Nima, and in this video we're having our second lesson on Ichimoku, which works the best on bull runs. And I'm gonna try to make it as simple as possible. This is gonna be really simple. It's gonna be even simpler than trading with moving averages, the strategy. And we only need one line out of all Ichimoku's lines. So let's first add Ichimoku Cloud. Let's just turn off all these lines except the baseline. That's all we need. This is really simple. Just want to make it a little bit thicker. So we imagine we were at this point. We know when we had a true breakout above this area with this candle, we open a long position because we get a sense we're getting close to the bull market, right? So we imagine we open a long position here. Okay, let me make it a little bit thinner. All right, now we gotta stay in long position until the baseline turns, like, how do you say, going down compared to the last candles. For example, this one, the last candles going up, or either is flat. We're still gonna stay in the position. It's going up or flat, going up or flat until this point. As you can see, this candle, when it closes, the baseline goes down. Let me put it as a sell. Let me see how much profit we had. And you have to consider this is only the spot market, 194%, roughly speaking, right? When we're gonna enter another position, when the baseline turns a little bit positive, right? When it's going up, which is when this candle closes. Buy. We gotta buy in here, and we're gonna stay in this position. This is going up, flat, going up, flat, up until this candle. When it closes, the baseline went down. So, and you have to consider this strategy is not perfect, does not work 100%, but when it does, the risk to reward ratio, it matches. Like now it gave you 48% on a spot market. That means if you just bought Bitcoin and put it on your wallet, it would increase 48% with minimizing the risk, and it gives you majority of the profit, 194 as well. And you know, it might have some downside. For example, if you bought in here, this place again, because it went up and you have to sell it in here, it will be like, it wouldn't have much of a profit. It would even, you have to sell it on with the minimal, how do you say, let me see, how much was it? It's over here till closes of this candle. So you have to lose 14% of the value. So you have to consider this strategy does not work 100%, and it works the best when we have a bull market, when it's going up. When you hit your stop loss maybe 1 or 2 times, that's to get a consideration that you bull run is slowly going to finishes, and you have to start using other strategy to make the most profit out of the market. So that's all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. That gives us a lot of energy to provide more strategy that you can work with even your strategy. You can add it up or you can make it better. So if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. Thank you.